Welcome to Nation Wrestling. It's the Honky Tonk Man against Demolition X. Demolition X at a big disadvantage. He's usually in tag team matches with his partner Smash. But this time he's going at it alone. Honky Tonk Man has a huge advantage. Mainly because he's a singles wrestler. He's always in one. The point is, Honky Tonk Man is at a huge advantage. Honky Tonk Man also the longest reigning Intercontinental Champion in WWE history. Demolition final tie-up. Referee breaks it up. As I was saying, Demolition X, one half of the longest reigning tag team champions in WWE history. Final tie-up again. Oh, referee breaks it up again. Demolition X, yeah, it's X. Needs to think intelligently, needs to outsmart him since he doesn't have his tag team partner. Honky Tonk Man now wrenching the arm of the former tag team champion. Oh, wrenching him again. X wisely goes to the ropes. Smart move. He's got 5 seconds.
Watch my goddamn watch.
Whoa. On the other hand, Honky Tonk Man better be careful. Axe is no pushover. Axe is no pushover. He's one of the toughest wrestlers. Oh, Honky Tonk Man. Oh, Axe reverses it. Now he reverses it. Oh, now he's trying to bend the arm on a... Oh, punches his gut. Clubs him. Axe better be careful not to get disqualified. Oh, chunky him on the ropes. Like I said, Axe is no pushover. He's one of the toughest men in the business. And right now he just club him on the neck or chop him on the neck. I couldn't see. Got my head like, oh. Honky Tonk Man looking busy right now. Snapmare. Oh, now he's got him on a sleeper. Really squeezing that time, making sure that's not a choke. Referee better make sure that's not a choke. Honky Tonk Man struggling to get to the ropes. This crowd is on the side of Honky Tonk Man, so they're rooting for him. Honky Tonk Man gradually getting up. He's fine. Well, not fine, but he is getting up. Oh, elbow. Oh, but got taken down. 1, 2. 2 count only. Back to the sleeper. I'm not expecting a lot of high-flying Impact moves, but I'm expecting some old-school brawling from these two competitors. And right now, Axe has got the Honky Tonk Man in a sleeper. Oh, Honky Tonk Man gets up, clubs him with the elbow. Oh, get kicks out of the ring. And I mean that literally. Axe. Smashes his head, slams his head against the table. Oh my God, Honky Tonk Man doesn't know where he is right now. They better be careful not to get counted out. Oh, he's choking him with a rope. The rope used to separate the fans and the wrestlers. Oh my. Axe being very rude to the referee. He better be careful. Axe not finished with the Honky Tonk Man. Oh, choking, trying to choke the life out of him. Almost like Homer Simpson choking Bart Simpson. The Honky Tonk Man fights back. Oh, he hits him with something. What is it? Oh, I don't know what it is. Now he slams his head against the table. I guess the tables have turned, pun intended. Oh, what goose for the goose is good for the gander, as a Honky Tonk Man chokes Axe with a rope. Oh, right on the little Honky Tonk Man. Right putting on mildly. He clubbing with our sun don't shine. Axe goes back to the ring. Honky Tonk Man back in the ring also. Oh, loves him. Wow, definitely not on the side of Axe. Ouch. He pushed the referee down. More like fling him down. Honky Tonk Man has got some brass nuts. Oh. He probably learned that from William Regal. Referee gets up. And 3,